Welcome, welcome. People, me not gonna come today, you know. Cause me very, very upset. Me in Jamaica, me didn't want to tell you, so me in Jamaica for one day, you know. Yeah. We fly down to Jamaica. Me and my husband. We have one private jet and we have businesses. We have business down in Jamaica too. Yeah. And yeah. We are stopping at one 10-star hotel. But what happened now? I was anticipating this idea, you know. You know, when the lady go drop in the place, yeah. And me go on the sun with the face, and yeah. And when me go there, me hear, when she come up on stage, yeah. Me hear she talk, but me can't ring. I'm a wig. I'm a wig. And then she tell me to kiss out the Bible. Yeah. And she threw a mic after the Prime Minister too. Mr. Holiness. Me was very, very upset. Me have to run out of the place because the people never look at me. Because they find out say me have special wig and me have God ring and something, and also she say me a Satan disciple. Oh. Me how long me a ball, me can't get over it, so she do that to me. Because me and I are a friend, you know. And she know me business and she go up and say, go talking. Yeah, so, yeah, me just a ball all the time. Me can't get over it. So she do a thing like that to me. Yeah. So she don't tell the Prime Minister about the poor people about Jamaica too. And me decide say me go left some of my assets down there for them. Yeah. But them not go want it now. Them know how me get it. I mean they want people to know how me get it. Cause them go say a true yard ring and the week why we get it. So me don't know what we do now. Yes. That's me. People, you know, I find we put little drama, little twist to the thing. Yes, me say, me not anticipate this idea, yeah. And me nearly miss it, you know, me nearly forget, say, the thing in the guan, yes. But now me see it all over the place, yes. Everybody is talking about it. Yes, it was epic. Yeah, what a performance the lady can perform. Yeah. She sat on his stage and broke down his stage. You know, see? Mighty God. Me never see something like this before. But as I said, I was touched by that performance. And if that's the way she's going to bring souls to God, yes. Because I'm not a Christian, but I'm going to say I was moved by it, yes. It was good, yes. It was epic, yeah, man. Yeah, and when we go around the place, me hear everybody attack, and me, you know, me different one now, I have it up and listen to little here, little there, and little everywhere. Yeah, some people are criticizing the kiss out the Bible bit, yes, them saying it's not Christian like, yes. But I personally don't see nothing wrong with it, yeah. Because she's, there's some of them feel say, because people use the word kiss out this and kiss out that. One person me here was saying, kiss out mean go away from there, yeah. And some people, if you look at it, some people cuss by say, go away, you whole demon, you and all that. You could probably say the same kind of thing, like if you're not using bad word, but you're using certain terms in a hungry manner, still cuss it, but she said kiss out the Bible, Satan disciple and all that, and she using the whatever. So, you know, she says that people think that she backslide and all that. But, you know, people like to judge, yeah. People like to be very judgmental and say what them think. And she turned it into gospel fest, yeah, from Sunfest to gospel fest, yeah. It was awesome, excellent, yes. And that me I go say. Yeah, for me, I thought it was, and also Freddie McGregor. Yeah, was there, and yes, they did like film performance too. Yes, them I did. Yeah, Freddie McGregor was there too. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say anyway. So, you can leave in the comments and tell me what you think here. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and share. Yeah, and big up on yourself.